Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your mouse double click speed into your Windows. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our search option and we will going to search control panel, and here you can see here is our control panel. So if you click on that, it will open like this. If your Windows open like this, then don't be worried, just come over this view by category, click on that and click large icons, and from this you will get the all options you have in control panel. So here you can see here is our mouse option. If you click on that, mouse properties window will be open, and here you can see this is double click speed, and if I increase it and if you want to decrease it, you can do it, but I will leave it as like this. Click on apply and then click OK. And this is how you can change mouse double click speed into your Windows system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.